Hello Ganofins and welcome back to C Programming Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the pointers. So what are pointer? Pointer is a variable that points to an address of a value. Pointer, it means it addresses that contains the value. Symbols which are used in a pointer program are a and sign and an star sign, which is called asterisk sign. And sign, it is used for the purpose of address of operator. It determines the address of a variable, and the star sign, it accesses the value at the address. Let's just take an example of the pointer. Let's just pointer through an example. Well, let me show you an example. As you can see here, these are your header files. Include stdio.h, include conio.h, and this is your void main. Main is the function, integer is the data type, I equals to 3. We took an example, and I is the variable and 3 is the value of I, which is stored in I initially. Here you can see I typed printf, and inside the printf I typed this slash n, means the answer will appear in your next line. Now here, as you can see, address of I equals to percentage u. This percentage u and this and I used and in printf statement. We usually use and in scanf statement for just storing the value, for storing the user input value. But now I am using it here because, as I recently told you, that this and sign, it determines the address of a variable. That's why I used here and I to determine the address of I, and here I used the u because to print the address of I. So for printing address we use u. And now here, this is the simple printf statement. This percentage d I, which will print only 3 here. And this is the third printf, which, as you can see, value of I equals to percentage d, and this is star. As I recently told, it accesses the value at the address. This is getch, which will display the output of the program on the screen. This is clear screen, which will clear the output of recently run program on your computer. So let's just run this program and see what will happen. Now, as you can see, it will print the address of I, which is 65524, value of I equals to 3, value of I equals to 3. The pointer points to the address 65524 of a variable I that contains the value of I equals to 3 here. Pointer points to 65524 address that points to value 3. Here, as you can see, and I gives the address of the variable. If anybody of you from the output didn't understand the program, then I will explain it to you now. Here, and I gives the address of the variable I. Here, star open bracket, then and I gives the value stored at the address of I. This and is used for the address purpose. And the edge, here you can see the value appeared of the address of the I is 65524. There is no sign associated with it, so to print the address we use percentage u, as I told you, which is a format specifier for printing an assigned integer. The another pointer operator is star, called value at address operator, which gives the value stored at a particular address. The value at address operator is also called indirection operator. Here I use star open bracket and I close bracket is same as printing the value of I. And now let's talk about declaring a pointer. How can you declare a pointer? Let me show you the syntax in which manner you can declare a pointer. First of all, you have to type, a data type which can be integer, character, float, whatever you want, double data type, then the variable name, whatever you want to give, for example C. Now here semicolon comes, pointer to data type. This is pointer to data type. Oh, sorry, fuck. I have forgot to type the most important thing in this star. Star is the thing which indicates that this is a pointer function. This is pointer. We are declaring a pointer here. This means the value at the address contained in C is an, for example, if I type here that type integer, then it is an integer. This declaration tells that the compiler that C will be used to store the address of an integer value. The C is called as pointer variable. These variables are capable of holding address. These addresses can be collected in a variable which can be C equals to and a and b, whatever. The variable C is called pointer variable that stores the value. For example, if of I, that is 65524, in which we run recently. I think this is it for this video of pointer. If you have any question or query relating to this pointer function, you can ask me below in the comment section. And well, thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel.